In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to animate text in Canva to make your videos stand out, whether you're making YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, or TikToks. Text animation is one of the easiest ways to make your content more eye-catching and professional. And the best part? Canva makes it super simple. Start by opening up Canva and creating a new video project by clicking here, or by using the purple Create button, or just open a video clip you already have. For this example, I'm using a standard YouTube video format, but you can choose anything like Instagram Stories, Reels, or TikTok depending on your needs. Now add video clips to your project. I'm going to use 3 for this demonstration, but you can add as many as you want. You can drag clips from your Uploads folder or find video content in Canva's video library. Just click Apps in the left toolbar, then type Video in the search bar to open the library. Move your clips around in the bottom timeline to get them in the right sequence if you need. Click on a clip to drag it. Once your clips are in place, it's time to add text. Click the Text tab in the left side toolbar, or press T on your keyboard to quickly add a text box. Customize the font, size, effects, and color to match your style. Try something bold and easy to read. I personally like Anton font because it's clean and clear. We're going to use 2 words per clip, with each word in its own text box. So make sure to add 2 text boxes for each video clip. If you want the text across all clips to look identical, use the Copy Style tool, that little paint roller icon in the Edit toolbar. It's super easy and keeps your design consistent. I do have a video on how to use Copy Style. Once you have text on your video, you'll see a purple box appear on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. It stretches across the entire video. Click the duration button here if you don't see it. I just went ahead and changed all my text to what I want. To adjust the length of time the text is visible in the video, we work with the purple bar here in the duration timeline. Click on the text in the video and it highlights the purple bar. Use the pink double arrow to adjust the time length. Grab to move the bar to where you want it on the timeline. Go ahead and adjust the text in all 3 clips. Once the timing is set, we're ready to animate. Select one of your text boxes, then click Animate in the top toolbar. There are 2 tabs here, Page and Text. Be sure you're in the Text tab. This lets you animate just the text itself. If you click out of the text and click on the video itself, it will switch to video, and that animation will apply to the entire video instead, which is not what we want. Scroll through the animation options in the drop-down. There are lots of styles to choose from, like typewriter, pop, pan, rise and tumble, neon, and fade, to name a few. Click to preview and find the one that fits your vibe. Once you find one you like, just click to apply it. You can also customize the timing, position, and speed of your animation. This is probably where you'll spend most of your time, tweaking it until it feels just right. Check the length of your clip again, and adjust it if needed by dragging the double arrow slider on either end of the video. After you've set up your animations, consider adding transitions between your video clips. Hover your mouse between 2 video segments, and you'll see Add Page and Add Transition pop up. Click the transition icon to open the panel. I'm choosing Flow for this example. You can adjust the duration and direction, and even apply the transition between all pages using the button at the bottom. A nice little time saver. You'll be amazed at how much more polished your videos look with just a little movement. Once you're happy with your video, click Share in the top right corner and choose Download. Make sure your file type is set to MP4 video and the resolution is 1080p. Now, you're ready to upload to YouTube, Instagram, or wherever you share your content. And that's it. That's how you animate text in Canva. Fast, easy, and super effective. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what your favorite Canva animation style is, or what you'd like to see in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.